Alright, my people, welcome back on this one. Alright, on today says Yoruba coalition petitions UN, hey you, he you, others over secession. Alright, on to this, our coalition under the aegis of the Yoruba Appraisal Forum, YAF, has petitioned the United Nations UN, its 5 permanent members, the European Union EU, the African Union AU, and then other powerful nations over a plan by the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, Ilana Homo Odua, to present a petition against the Nigerian government at the 76th General Assembly of the UN. Onto this, YF in the petition urged the UN and the superpower countries to bar Ilana Homo Odua and its allies from attending the UNGA to present its petition against the federal government. Alright, meanwhile, the ultimate objective of this plan by the group is to achieve nothing salutary or beneficial to the people of Nigeria, but to further their evil design to undermine and bring down the country and the incumbent administration of President Muhammadu Buhari out of sheer malice over the forthcoming 2023 general elections, the statement read. Alright, and as it says, the forum emphasized that Ilana Homo Odua's endorsement of the recent petition by the Nigerian Indigenous Nationalities Alliance for Self-Determination, NINAS, urging the government to conduct a referendum is only part of the strategy by the group to legitimize its plan for the violent dissolution of Nigeria. Alright, YAF in the petition signed by its national coordinator Adeshina Animashaun and made available to newsmen in Abuja, accused Omo Odua of funding the violent activities of the self-styled Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Igboho, currently undergoing trial in the Benin Republic following his recent arrest at that country's airport while attempting to leave for Germany. YAF equally a coalition of Yoruba self-determination groups further alleged in its own petition that contrary to the Omo Odua's claim that the UN General Assembly would be an opportunity to explain the rationale behind the Yoruba Nation agitation to world leaders. Its plans is to use the platform to get undeserved sympathy and secure support from unsuspecting countries across the world which are largely uninformed about the true situation of things in Nigeria. Well, this sounds strange. Well, according to what has been gathered, says Yoruba coalition petitions UN, AU, EU, others over secession. It's not funny at all. Well, and one thing I've come to now realize is no matter how good some set of people are, you will definitely see some bad eggs. Maybe let me take that again. No matter how good a family member is, let's use that word, no matter how good, you must definitely see a black sheep. Let's use it. You must definitely see a black sheep in their midst. So now, this set of people, they are still the Yorubas, but they are going against the Oduduwa Nation agitators. That they shouldn't. Now, you can imagine what they have said so far. This is to tell you that there is fire on the mountain. Well, some side of people have said it earlier that Yorubas are full of deceits. They have some traitors amongst them also. And then with what we are seeing right now, initially I thought it was just men saying and the rest of them, but with what has been gathered right now, with what we are saying, my brother, this one true. It happened. All right, and then as it is, the Yoruba coalition, and then according to them, they have no petition UN, AU, EU, others over secession. Okay, and then according to what they are saying right now, they are like, this, you should not allow this setup to do agitators to go against the federal government. We love what the federal government is doing. We are Yorubas, but we love what they are doing. Don't mind this set of people, not for their pockets. You can imagine what is happening in our land. Why some people are praying that, oh, let things work out. Some people are like, the thing is already good. I beg, which one is the same thing for us? We are okay with the way we have. So I think these are the set of people that we call black sheep in a family. All right, and then as it is, majority of people have actually reacted, in different forms. People are not happy with the situation on ground. Oh yes, so and then someone is saying here that, well, hey, YF liars, God is said to send you all on. Then okay, YF he meant to say that you people are liars. God is set to send you all on assignment which you will never recover from. You can imagine. This has been said by Adegbemiro Ebenezer. He said this set of people that are against the Oduduwa nation agitation. So this set of people, they have something else that they should not worry. There is a greater deadly plan for them. Yes, according to Adegbemiro, he says, well, liars, God is said to send you all on assignment which you will never recover from. That is another one. Liars, God is said to send you all on assignment which you will never recover from. Your yoke shall be upon you. Well, my people, let's just leave it at that. Well, someone is saying that these are lie from the pit of hell. Okay, that everything that they are saying, they are all lies. Well, one thing we are used to, we have heard times that number, it has been that no matter how hard you try to say you want to do good thing, definitely you still see some set of people that will go against you. So it's a normal thing. And then as it is right now, this set of people, definitely we don't need a soothsayer to tell us that they have been paid. Yes, they have put some things in their hand. What is show could do, what is kibo lower. Okay, all right, well, we would not listen to them. Well, they are on their own, but the fact remains that people are already with Chief Sunday Igboho, and then when you are doing the right thing, definitely you have followers, you have supporters, and these we have some that are not genuine, but I believe that anyone who is not genuine in this amongst this set of people that are following Chief Sunday Igboho, I pray that in no time that person will be embarrassed and disgraced. All right, my people, many things don't happen. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.